Hi guys, and welcome back to another Beaver Lake spring thaw status on April the 18th, 2018 on Beaver Lake near Erinsville and Tamworth, Ontario, Canada. This is sort of a midweek update, given that the weekend was so miserable with freezing rain and snow and rain and high winds and everything in between. I didn't get up and about with the drone too much. So the big news is certainly that big chunk of open water down there near the islands, with a strange sort of ice flow between that and the Salmon River end. So as you can see, it's almost like a river that flows from one side of the lake to the other, with little chunks breaking off here and there. And certainly the ice on either side of that so-called river is very thin, and it's just going to bust apart any day now, I'm sure. And you can see little chunks floating in the water in the middle there. There we go, right there. And as you go down a little lower, you can see that it's very thin and certainly starting to break up quite a bit. Down near the highway at that far end there, sorry, it was a little windy up there, so my turn was a little fast, but lots of water all around the edge of the lake, really. And you can see over there on the far side, that's North Beaver Lake near the farm. Big open area over there as well. Looking towards the Salmon River end, at the far end, you can see there's sort of an island of ice in between. And the North Beaver Lake on the left side, not moving very much in the last few days. Getting down close here near the boat launch, but on the south lake, you can see there's strange holes in the ice, and it's again very, very thin. So thanks again for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this quick update. Depending on the weather, I hope I'll get up again and publish another view for you. So like and subscribe below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell if you want to receive an email when I publish a new video. Thanks again. Talk to you soon.